it's the fine work, but you are blessed having microscope. I'm telling you the slides I showed you on embryos of the neurological system, brain and this thing. They are so delicate structures. But I didn't have the proper instrument, so I used the nail cutter. Nail cutter is the thing with big nails or your corners for pedicure. Now, similarly, when you are handling your bones and this thing, don't tamper them. The stylet process no, it will break. Then the next batch won't see what is the stylet process in the skull. So there are I'm telling you again, you take this video to your home, sit in groups, 4, 5. Even you are comfortable with your girlfriend, sitting in the library, you go and read. But 3 months. But don't bunk class and go to the library. I mean, girlfriend bolam, it's your friend. You can 2 boys or 4 boys, they are all friends. Girlfriend doesn't mean you will marry her. Now, see, I'm sharing you. My 2 daughters they are more comfortable sharing things with me, not with their mother. So you please see, and this is, I'm telling you, after viewing, you see a sound system to ঠিক আছে এই জিজ্ঞেস করতো নালে তোমরা নিয়ে নেবে ট্যাবে হোক ইয়েতে হোক ফোনে হবে না আর হয় ওই কানেক্টর লাগাতে হবে কিছু করতে হবে আমার বলছে যে these 125 slides, it's a compact to give you an overall idea. Now you have to build up. Otherwise, until illustration, you have to draw the picture of the brain. Simple lines, not become M.F. Hussain or your Abhinandath Thakur or Satyajit Ray. Don't waste time in the exam hall shading things. You are answering 3 questions, the rest you are sitting, so you are spending time. Don't. You try to, some answer will come out. And don't get lost, please. I'm telling you, when will be your final exams? September. That means June, July, August. Last week, September. First week. That means 3 months. 3 months, একবারে কেউ 12 ঘন্টা, কেউ 14 ঘন্টা, কেউ 16 ঘন্টা, এইভাবে তোমার টাইম স্পেন্ড করো। And you have many things we didn't have. Books are really very good now. And also the illustration, the pictures. And you just draw plain drawings. Don't level whole brain. You say lobes of the brain. The questions, 4 marks. You draw one sagittal section, one the brain as a whole. This is one thing. Then you label the areas. Label the areas, just label frontal lobes, posterior lobe, temporal lobe, like this. And see, these are the probable questions are there. Your sinuses, the undersurface of the brain, then sagittal section, corpus callosum, ventricles of the brain. All these are very common. You will be asked in Viva, you will be asked in this thing. And your the cerebellum, I showed you, and your books you will see better. But you have to just keep. আর AI chat GPT এইসব এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করবে না এখন, ডোন্ট এক্সপেরিমেন্ট। AI chat GPT is a wonderful tool, definitely, but you have no time to experiment now. And why you will experiment? তুমি পরের টাইমে করবে, because the same question is there. Is a repetition, repeat learning, and come over here, you see this specimen, বসো, তোমার স্লাইড দেখিয়ে দিল, সুব্রময় স্লাইড দেখিয়ে দিল, তখন দুটো বই নিয়ে বসে যাও, 10 মিনিট স্লাইডটা দেখিয়ে দিল, এক্সপ্লেন করলো, তুমি দেখে নিলে, বাড়ি চলে যাচ্ছ। ডোন্ট, this is a advice to you, a request to you, because you sit tight for another half hour or 1 hour or 45 minutes, you can see the femur, hold it, and you cross questions amongst yourself. So, yeah, now you see, I have one set, this portion, this book, this part, one portion, this half, and you give this half. Please sit together, and but one thing I tell you, see, 5 or 6 sit together, তাহলে মোটামুটি সবাই দেখতে পাবে।